Hi everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. This is a live update on Santacruz silver. Since silver is breaking out to $40 soon, I wanted to check on Santacruz silver and see if it is a buy or not. Seeing that it's down 11% while silver is up 6%. So why is it down? I don't know. First of all, silver. Is it going to go higher or not? Not sure. It looks like it's gone up too much, so it should retrace at some point. Just looked at the COT report today, and I see that the silver shorts are increasing. So there could be a silver slammy at some point. So it has not shown its thing yet. So it could still slam down at some point. So let's look at the fundamentals of Santacruz silver. So as of 15 May, Santacruz silver is actually making money. So here it is gone up, and that's because their costs have gone down. 21 all-in sustaining costs. It was 26, now it's 21. So that's very good. They managed to reduce the costs. Of course, they did sell a bit more than usual, but yeah, it is an improvement. We have to say that. Let's look at today with today's prices. So this is the share price, which is 0.395 divided by 1.37. So 132 market cap. Okay. So nothing really happened here. Let's look at the silver price. 31.5. And you can see already an uptick. Zinc, also important. Zinc is the primary revenue generator of Santacruz zinc. 3045. So now we are at 1.38, right? 1.38 zinc. This is good. I want to see it go to 1.5. Lead. 2307. Up a little bit. Copper is at 5.08. Okay, so this is the situation currently. It's actually fair value from a 5 times free cash flow perspective. So fair value from that perspective using these data here. But this is without taxes. Yeah, this is without taxes, with interest, with capex, but without taxes. So now let's look at the EV to NPV flowchart. which is the most important, and look at the current silver prices. So we had silver at 31.5. Let's say we stay at 31.5. Copper at 5.08. Zinc was at 1.38 and 1.05. $1.05 lead. Okay. So this is the situation. They do earn money right now. 20 million income. You can see it here. This is using revenue minus costs. Revenue coming from the production and the prices currently. Taking into account B39 and Q69. So payability of concentrate included, and also the discount due to the ownership, which is about 66%. It can fluctuate, but it gives me around 250 million revenue. The cost is coming from AISC, which has dropped to 21, and taking into account silver equivalent production, also payability and ownership. So that gives me net income of 20 million. Not bad, it's making money. But the problem here is still the enterprise value is at 330 million. 330 million, market cap 100 million. So there's quite a lot of debt, 240 million debt. That's the problem. The problem is the debt. So a lot of debt, which means the EV to free cash flow is only 17. So 17 is not good enough for me. Still overvalued. It means they do have earnings, but they are not enough to get to the enterprise value, right? So I'm not going to buy Santacruz silver at this time. If silver and zinc stay at these prices, then there is downside risk for Santacruz silver. Now, of course, silver can go to 40 and 35. So let's say 35 forever. Then it becomes better. That would be fair value to me. They could increase mine life, etc. And a lower discount rate. This is 10 times 10% discount rate. Also zinc. I think zinc can go higher. As I said, Glencore is using zinc prices at around 1.4, 1.5, so somewhere here. So they think that zinc can actually get to 3,500 per ton. So let's take 3,500 per ton. That's 1.6 almost 1.6. And that would be very good because then Santacruz is fair value at that price. Copper is probably going to go higher in the long run, 5.5. Let's add that as well. Doesn't change a lot. It's mainly silver. So if we have 35 silver and 1.6 zinc, then it would be fair value to me. But silver could also go to 40, of course. That's possible. But it wouldn't be much higher. But okay, it's going to be undervalued at that point with upsides of $60 million upside. Yeah, 60, maybe $100 million upside, so that's a double. A double from 100 million to 200 million. So that could be a double if silver goes to 40 and zinc goes to 1.6. Okay, so you can also see that from the silver upside chart. This is Santacruz silver, this line, as you can see here, this line here, which is the dark gray line. So we need silver to actually go to around 35, with zinc also going up, and then there is upside. Currently at 30 silver we have downside. Okay, downside at 30 silver, because of 35 silver. If you get to 31 silver, then you can see that there's no upside. So this enterprise value needs to go down, and that means that the market cap will need to go down. So conclusion is that I don't like Santacruz silver still at the current prices, but of course the prices can go higher, but it's not at that point yet where I would buy it. Okay, yes, they are profitable now. They are profitable, but not profitable enough to pay off all the debt. And there's quite a lot of debt, 250 million in debt, from 100 to 326. So a lot of debt that needs to be paid back, and they only have net income of 20 million. Okay. It will take a lot of years to pay that back. So that's why Santacruz silver is underperforming. People know that this is not good enough. Even if zinc is here and silver is at 31, it's not enough. We actually need to go to here, 40, to have upside. And then, of course, I think it could go double. But 40 is a really difficult price to get. Will it stay here forever, or will it drop back in a few months? We need it to stay at 40 forever, so that Santacruz silver can pay off all the debt. If it spikes and goes back down, that won't help Santacruz silver, because you need to have sustained prices at $40, so that the earnings can come in as they produce silver and zinc to pay off the debt. Okay, so ask yourself, Will silver stay at 40 forever? Or will it drop back down? Could also go to 50 or 60. Everything is possible. I wish I knew what silver is going to do. I also wish I knew what zinc is going to do, but I can't see the future. But what I can do is look at the valuations right now, and I see it's overvalued. So that's the conclusion, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.